The 2025 Mazda RX-9 is a highly anticipated sports car that enthusiasts have been eagerly waiting for. Drawing on Mazda's rich heritage of rotary engine vehicles, the RX-9 promises to deliver exhilarating performance, stunning design, and advanced technology. Here's a comprehensive overview of its features. This engine design sets the RX-9 apart from most other sports cars on the market, providing a unique driving experience. Pre-Saken aerodynamic design. Mazda's co-design philosophy is evident in the RX-9's exterior, which is characterized by flowing lines, sculpted curves, and aggressive proportions. The sleek aerodynamic profile not only enhances the car's visual appeal, but also contributes to its performance by reducing drag and improving stability at high speeds. 3. Advanced lightweight constructions to optimize performance and agility. The RX-9 utilizes lightweight materials such as carbon fiber, aluminum, and high-strength steel in its construction. This focus on weight reduction helps improve handling, acceleration, and fuel efficiency without compromising structural integrity or safety. 4. Ride the RX-9 drivers will find a cockpit designed for maximum engagement and comfort. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls create an immersive driving environment that puts the driver firmly in control. The minimalist design approach ensures that distractions are kept to a minimum, allowing drivers to focus on the road ahead. The RX-9 is equipped with a wide range of cutting-edge technology features aimed at enhancing both performance and convenience. This includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, as well as connectivity features like smartphone integration, navigation, and a premium sound system. 6. Dynamic driving dynamics. Mazda engineers have fine-tuned the RX-9's chassis, suspension, and steering to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Whether carving through twisty mountain roads or tackling a racetrack, the RX-9 offers precise handling, responsive feedback, and a connected feel that enthusiasts will appreciate. Recognizing that every driver has unique preferences, Mazda offers a range of customization options for the RX-9, from exterior paint colors and wheel designs to interior trim materials and upholstery choices. Customers can tailor their RX-9 to suit their individual style and preferences. 8. Environmental responsibility. Despite its high-performance nature, the RX-9 remains mindful of environmental concerns. Mazda has incorporated fuel-efficient technologies and emissions, reducing measures to ensure that the RX-9 meets stringent environmental regulations without compromising performance or driving enjoyment. Overall, the 2025 Mazda RX-9 represents the pinnacle of Mazda's engineering prowess and passion for driving. With its distinctive rotary engine, striking design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, the RX-9 is sure to captivate automotive enthusiasts around the world.